What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to look at these picture frame holders. As you can see, these one, so you can basically extend like this and close. So in the pack we basically have 4 of them. As you can see right here, we have 2 big one. So these are 2 big one guys, so you can basically extend like this and you can close it. So to use it, you can put it on your table, your dresser, any format that you want. So you basically extend out like this. As you can see right there, basically extend like this guys, and you can basically put your picture frame on right here. So just gonna test them out, let you guys see how them basically look. I'm just gonna test a picture frame on it right now to show you guys how basically operate. You can post your picture frame right here, which hold up there sturdy. Just to give an idea of a picture frame that you can use on it guys. So basically we can have place on it like so. So as you guys can see right here, I have 2 right here to hook up this picture frame right here. This should be as an example of ways that you can use to hook this up. You can basically use 1 depending on the size of the picture frame that you're using. So basically I choose to use 2 for this one right here, so hold it up quite fine. It looks something like this, which you can place on your dresser or anywhere inside your home that you find feasible. So these are all basically audio guys, give you guys a good decoration. So these are the picture frame, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you find this video very helpful.